Hi, fifth graders, it's Mrs. Bella Tesh, and we're going to have a lot of fun today, and you guys are going to design your own experiment based on these materials. So we've been talking about chemical reactions, and one of the ways that we know that there's a chemical reaction is if there is bubbles, there's a gas that's produced, or if there is a precipitate. And last week we tested the precipitate from our previous experiments. But we keep seeing all these bubbles, but are we really making a lot of gas? I'd like to see if there's a way for us to trap the gas so that we can observe how much gas is actually created. So I want to show you the experiment, and then you guys are going to change it. I'm going to put 1 spoon of baking soda in a cup, and I'm going to put 25 milliliters of vinegar into the same cup. Okay, so here's my baking soda, here's the vinegar. Let's see what happens. Very cold, it's cold and very bubbly. All right, so again, we've been talking about how those bubbles are full of gas and that we're making a new product, which is the carbon dioxide gas. But how much do we make? I don't know. So what I'd like to do is the following experiment. I'm going to take a bottle, and I'm going to put 25 milliliters of vinegar in the bottle. 25 milliliters. Now I'm going to take a balloon and I'm going to put it on a funnel. Now I'm going to put 1 spoon of baking soda into the balloon using the funnel. And sometimes you have to squeeze the balloon a little bit to get all of the baking soda into the balloon. Now, I'm going to put the balloon on the bottle. Sometimes it's good to have a partner to help you with this. Okay? Now, I'm going to hold on to the balloon to make sure it doesn't come off, and I'm going to tip the baking soda into the bottle. I'm going to continue shaking it up, and I'm trapping the gas that's being created in this balloon. So I have evidence that the baking soda and vinegar mixture made a gas because I just used it to blow up the balloon. So this is the standard experiment. 1 spoon of baking soda, 25 milliliters of vinegar. But I'm wondering if I can make more gas by changing the ratio. So I need you guys to come up with your own experiment now. You're still going to use the bottle. You're still going to use the balloon. But would you change the ratio? Would you put 2 spoons of baking soda and 25 milliliters of vinegar? Remember, you can only change one thing in the experiment. Follow the scientific method. Ask a question. The question is, does changing the ratio of baking soda and vinegar change the amount of gas that is created? Make a prediction. Then design your experiment. What are you going to change? You can only change one thing at a time. Conduct the experiment and then draw your conclusion. What did you notice? And you might want to work with teams of people. People could have different tests, and you might need to do it a couple of times. Have fun with it. All right, fifth graders, I hope you have fun with this experiment. It is a lot of fun. I love it. You know what's funny? My favorite experiment is the one that I'm doing, right? When I'm studying rocks, that's my favorite thing. When I'm studying animals, that's my favorite thing. When I'm doing chemistry, it's my favorite thing. I hope you guys continue studying science. I love science, and it's just so exciting. There's so many things that are happening in science every day. There's a lot for you guys to discover. Have a great day.